gents, how's it going? Look at this weather today, man, absolutely beautiful. And we're on the bike. Oh my god. Oh man. So today we're just going to be talking about the Healtech stuff that we've got on this bike. So the Quickshifter, the gear indicator. Healtech were kind enough to send me these out to test them out on this beast. I'm not going to do a video talking about the install process because I didn't really install it myself anyway. And if you want to watch that, there's a guy called Andy Mancam on YouTube who's done a very detailed install video. I'm just going to be talking more around the actual experience of having these on the bike and what they like to use. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. As you can see, it's very addictive to use. So in terms of the Healtech Quickshifter, my impressions are it's not going to be exactly the same as an OEM Quickshifter. So when I had the Ninja, when I rode the GS 1200, obviously the Quickshifters are there from the manufacturer, they work perfectly, so you can't expect it to be exactly the same as that. But in terms of it being a third-party accessory and a third-party Quickshifter, it's absolutely amazing. So basically it works via a sensor and then it connects to the ignition coil. So the sensor tells the device when you want to shift up, and then obviously that's when you're kicking up on the lever, and then the device cuts the ignition from the engine coils. So you get the engine cutting off for a few milliseconds so it can shift into gear. So it connects to an app via Bluetooth, so you can fully customize the ignition cut times, the different rev ranges and all sorts, which is really cool. I've not played around with it enough yet, but it's definitely is there if you want to mess around with it. So the only thing I've really found is you've got to be careful with preloading the gear lever. So you don't want to preload the gear lever before you're going to shift, because sometimes it thinks that you want to shift. So keep your foot nice and relaxed. When you're ready to shift, one solid click up and then you're sorted, man. See if we can get in front of this this Porsche. So nice click up. It's so easy, man. So this is what I mean, it works so perfectly when you're using it properly. There's just a few little niggles you got to be aware of, but otherwise it's beautiful, man. It's such a nice thing to use. So in terms of the gear indicator, again, I'm not going to do a video talking about the install because Andy Mancam once again comes to the rescue. But as far as I'm aware, it's pretty easy. It's plug and play, and then you just need to stick it on somewhere. So yeah, again, I got it in blue because the theme is blue and white. But it's yeah, it's really nice. Works fine. It shows a little dash when you're in neutral. Otherwise, it's pretty accurate, to be honest. I've never found any issues with it. Had it on the FZ6 as well. Works perfectly. So yeah, if you're definitely looking to spice up your older bike which doesn't have this kind of stuff in it. Gear indicator, quick shifter, completely changes the bike, man. It's definitely worth doing. So there you go, guys. Quick look at the quick shifter and the Healtech gear indicator. I'll put some links in the description in case you want to check them out. But definitely, if you've got a bit of cash lying around, really good mod to get on the bike. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And if there's anything else you want to see on this bike, just let me know. And if not, then I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.